Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Firstly, I do apologize for my previous videos audio, but anyway, please stay tuned to see how I install our 10-inch bulb. Okay, so most of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let the video play and I will leave down like whatever products I used on the description box. And this is when I realized my two jumbo braids were getting in the way. At the back there, it was a bit bulky. So do make sure that you have like a flat like braid underneath your wig to make sure that your wig lays flat. So because we are in quarantine, I didn't like have time to braid my hair. Not that I didn't have time, because right now I have all the time in the world, but I was just lazy to redo my braid. So yeah, for this, like if you're going for a super sleek look, you would definitely need like straight, super flat braiding underneath your wig. Okay, so depending on the look that you're going for, you can either keep it like this or you can add baby hairs. So I prefer my wigs with baby hairs. So I use the foam lotion to mold the baby hair down. And like you must know, like the longer the baby hair is, like the more unnatural it's gonna look. So sometimes you have to trim it, you know, to make it a little bit shorter, and then like so it can mold better as well. Because I mean, the purpose of all this is to make it look natural as possible. So nobody really has a super straight hairline. Nobody really has like a super like perfect baby hair, you know. So you just mold it like however you would, like if you had like your natural baby hair, like where your natural baby hair were for, you try and mimic that. So yeah, so you can use mousse as well. You can also use gel, like I said, like depending on the look you're trying to go for. And then of course you would tie it down and blow dry it until it is super dry. And yeah, as you can see, it's not flaking. I know sometimes gel would like start flaking if you use it for baby hair. So one of the reasons why I don't like using gel. So yeah, you want to comb it through, make sure that it's nice and soft and it blends, you know, with the hair. So you just comb it through. And that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos and don't forget to like this one and subscribe. Thank you.